Hey guys, I'm Tree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about scene collections in OBS. So first of all guys, sorry for the screen because I need to show you what I'm seeing and therefore we need to have this weird ass screen, otherwise it doesn't really work. So first of all, what is a scene collection? You can see those things here. These are your scenes where you can switch to, which makes, I don't know, like going back to the one we just had. Going back to this one. We can do that there. These are the ones. If I click on these, it will switch. I can also do it with my Stream Deck. All these scenes together are one scene collection. You can see scene collections by clicking on this. And these are the collections you have right now. I have made multiple ones because I think it's cool to have one for recording for YouTube like I do right now. But also another one for streaming. And you can even do it for different games, if you have an event or something like that. Or maybe you guest stream for somebody sometimes and you want to use different overlays and stuff like that. You can have another scene collection. Basically have all this stuff different on every scene collection instead of having tons of scenes. If you have a Stream Deck, you can switch the scene collections in there as well. Just be sure to not do it when you're live because OBS sometimes crashes when you do it, which you don't really want to do when you're live. Crashing OBS, it's not that great. I have scene collections for Bings, which I sometimes guest stream for. I've got one for YouTube, which I'm using right now, and mostly using this one, which is called Other Things in Dutch. And this is my streaming one. I don't really use the other ones anymore. That's basically just old things, and I should remove them, but I haven't done that. You know what I mean? If you want to use the scene collection you're using now, but just with slightly different things, what you can do is scene collection and then duplicate this one. It will make this one twice. It will name them probably the same as you have now. You can rename them by clicking on this, going to the right scene collection, clicking on rename. You can remove them. You can import and export them as well. So if you have like another PC somewhere else on location, you can you can export them and then import them on the location, and make a new one by just clicking on new here, and you can name them whatever you want. If there was something you did not understand, leave a comment and I will get back to you. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!